The country's energy supply base is set to increase by 220 megawatts in the first quarter of 2015 when the Kpone thermal plant comes on stream. A major part of the project, which consists of 2 gas turbines, is almost complete at a cost of $220 million.
Ghana's energy situation has been unstable in recent years. Damage to the West African gas pipeline led to disruptions in electricity supply to the country late last year and ran into early this year. The government then introduced a number of measures to shore up electricity supply, and just as the situation stabilized, the country has been hit hard by another energy supply shortage following labor unrest in Nigeria, the main supplier of gas through the West African gas pipeline. The disruption has affected operations at the Sogli power plant, which is configured to operate solely on gas. This means that about 200 megawatts of power has been cut from the national electricity grid. The result will be power rationing in the country. But the Volta River Authority, producers of Ghana's power, say the situation is not too gloomy as efforts are being put in place to stabilize the situation. The Kpone thermal plant, which is almost complete, will add some 220 megawatts of power. The plant, which cost the nation $220 million, is designed to run on both gas and diesel. The plant will be commissioned by the close of year, but engineers say commercial operation will commence in the first quarter of 2015.
The project has traversed its course, and we are quite confident that by the end of this year, early 2015, we will achieve this objective of generating 220 megawatts. Now that is just the phase 1, stage 1 of the project.
The continuous growth in Ghana's population means a constant and sustainable increase in energy supply. Head of Corporate Communications at the Volta River Authority, Sam Fletcher, says until that ideal situation is achieved, Ghanaians must learn to manage the energy available.
We understand that 30%, in fact more than that, I'm being conservative, goes waste from our homes and offices and factories and the like. If we can't continue doing that, because if we keep wasting so much, what it means is that you put in all the effort, add on the capacity, and then people will waste it.
The Kpone thermal plant sits on a 75-acre land. There are plans to expand the facility to produce 780 megawatts of power in the future. In the medium term, a steam component will be attached to the plant in a bid to get the facility operating at full capacity.